Hello, hello! It's Christina from ChristinaPiccoli.com. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, you can go ahead and subscribe. That would be great. Thank you so much. Today I am going to do a little bit of a fun review, I guess, with a little bit of happy hour time. So go ahead and grab something if you'd like. Today we're going to be talking about Your Profit 247 or Your Profit 24/7. Somebody on Quora asked a question, is this one a scam? And so I decided to take a look at it. And you can see from my headline here that I have determined that yes, this one is a scam. And I'm just going to go through and I'll show you why I think it's a scam. Of course, I'm not the FTC and I don't have authority to actually officially call something a scam, but in my opinion, it definitely is. Let's take a look. First of all, when you're on their sales page, you see this headline. It says, "Discover the secret formula that has some of our members prospering within days of joining us." Honestly, when I see something like this, my spammy senses go right up. There are no secret formulas, and when it says that you can prosper within days of joining, that really makes me raise an eyebrow, because anytime you do something new, it generally takes time to learn how to do it and to build up your skills. So if this is something that you can prosper within just a few days and it's a secret formula, to me that just means it's some quick get-rich-quick scheme. So after signing up, you are directed to watch a webinar, and it's run by these two guys, Matt and Orlando. I didn't see their last names, so it's really hard to tell what their background is and where they've come from. So I'm not really sure what they have to do with this exactly, except that they mentioned that they're seven-figure earners. After watching the webinar, I learned that you can make $1,500 to $15,750 in weekly income. You'll be sent cashier's checks. It's simple and automated. You don't have to sell anything to anyone. The system does all the work for you. Red flags, red flags, red flags everywhere. They say there are only 3 steps to wealth. Step 1, lead generation. They do that for you. Step 2, contact prospects. They do that for you. And number 3, you get paid. Easy peasy, right? You know what they say, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, and that is the case here. So one thing that they talked about is that they say they have a product. So whenever there's a pyramid scheme situation, they try to make it sound like it's legal because they have a product. So this is the same case with these guys. They have a bunch of educational courses that a library of courses that you have access to when you sign up. The thing is, they look like they're probably not that great of courses, and it's probably stuff that you can find on the internet, without signing up and spending loads of money on it. But that's a way that they can sort of get around that, the idea that you have to have a product in place for it to be legal. So how does it work? Well, what happens is you maybe haven't even seen this sales funnel here. You sign up for this, and then you'll be directed, just like I was, to watch the webinar. From there, you sign up from one of the levels. There are 4 different levels. There's Gold Package, Platinum, Diamond, and Royal. You can see the prices here. They start at $3,000, and the Royal goes all the way up to $21,000, plus the admin fee, which is crazy, right? It's crazy. So if you sign up for the Gold Package, you'll make $1,500 no matter who or no matter where the next person signs up. So let's say you sign up for the Gold, the person you sign up also signs up for Gold, you'll make $1,500. If you sign up for gold and you find a person that signs up for diamond, you're still only going to make $1,500. If you sign up for the royal package, you can make any of these amounts. Now, here's what's tricky. After you watch the webinar and sign up, you're going to be directed to talk to a success coach. That success coach is one of their salespeople. The salesperson is probably going to try to talk you into the highest amount that he or she can. And I have a feeling that what they would say is that you're going to lose out on sales if you don't. Instead of getting $1,500, you could get $3,500 or $7,000. Why would you miss out on that? But really, they're just trying to get you to sign up for the highest priced item that they can, because that's how they make their money. They even have, in the webinar, they have these funding options. This absolutely kills me. You can pay in cash, credit cards, your 401k. You can even get a loan. So this is crazy. I really recommend, and I say it here, do not do it. Do not sign up with this. Do not use your credit cards. Do not tap into your 401k to do this, because you are going to lose your money. I can almost guarantee it. What's interesting too is they say after you sign up for the level, so they're already high ticket levels, right? They're high ticket offers. $3,000 is the lowest. But you also have to pay for leads. You're going to have to pay monthly, and it's going to be a minimum of about $1,000 a month, maybe even more. And the thing is, these leads, there's no guarantee that anybody's going to sign up for this. And in fact, if they're smart, they're not going to sign up for this. So now you're stuck with having to spend a minimum of like $4,500, $5,000. They even say that in the webinar, that it'll be a minimum of $5,000. And you're not guaranteed to get that back. In fact, you're probably not going to get it back. I think the only people who can actually maybe get a sale or two are people who spend a lot of money on leads and really know how to market. In any case, I wouldn't recommend doing this anyway, because even if you did make money, it means that the reason you're making money is because some poor person is losing their money. So is your Profit 247 or your Profit 24/7 a scam? I think it is. I personally think it's a cash gifting pyramid scheme. They have a product, so I guess maybe they can get away with it, but it's not really a product. You're just selling the same system that you've been sold to. It's very similar to Too Damn Easy, Prosperity Nexus Group, 30-Day Success Formula. It's just different pyramid schemes that I've looked at. Now, what's interesting is that I couldn't find complaints about Your Profit 24/7, because what happens is these guys, I think they get called out as scammers, and so they close down one site and then they come up with another. So it's hard to find people who've used the product or the program, because they close down the site so fast. Other names that they have gone by are right here are wealthblueprint.com, 2019freedom.com, 7k10k.com. And there's probably a whole host of others that I didn't even find. So what I recommend, if you are looking to earn an income online, these types of get-rich-quick schemes, they're never going to work. Just get it out of your head now. If you really want to earn an income online, my recommendation, there's a lot of ways to do it, but my recommendation is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting someone else's product, and then you get a commission. I use the example here that if you like fishing, you could start a blog or a YouTube channel about fishing, and then you can promote different fishing type products like waders or fishing poles, and you can sign up for affiliate programs in the fishing niche. And whenever somebody clicks on your link, and buys from your site, you can get a commission. So it's a completely legitimate way to earn an income. Lots of companies have affiliate programs. They're free to join. The only thing is that it does take time. You have to learn how to market a little bit. You have to write a lot. It's basically all I do on my site, which I don't mind because I like it. Or you could do YouTube if that's better for you. But it does take time to learn all the steps and all the skills that you need in order to grow that income. My suggestion is to learn how to do exactly what you need to do and the steps that you need to do it step by step. And the recommendation of the affiliate marketing training that I most recommend, I'm going to put the link down below, and it's the platform that I have used to build out my own site, and it's the one I recommend to everybody else because they not only have the step-by-step training, but they have a huge community to help you along, to answer questions, to have that support. And they also have web hosting included for premium members, so it's great. So I will put that link below. I'll also put the link to this article below if you want to take a look and read it. So my conclusion, once again, Your Profit 24/7. I definitely do not recommend it. I think it's a scam. I think it's a cash gifting pyramid scheme. I hope these guys close down for good because they are taking advantage of people who are looking to earn an income, and they're going to take their money and they're going to run. And I don't want you to be a part of that. That is it for today. Let's have another sip. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.